Today, in this video, we will discuss these issues and make it clear to you why tiles buckle, pop or tent. But, before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to our page and hit the bell icon for more updates. So, let's get started by knowing what is buckled or popped or tented tile. When your floor tiles move up from their originally installed position and push other tiles against one another, it creates a tent-like bump in your floor. This tile defect is known as buckled tiles. This is also known as pop-up tiles or tile tenting. Reasons for buckled tile. Improper cleaning. It is always advisable to clean your tiles properly before their installation to support the uniform bonding layer. Flow expansion. Tile is a permeable material, hence after some time, it may swell with high moisture absorption. Due to expansion, the pressure may cause the tiles to pop up. Uneven subfloor. The uneven subfloor will not have uniform bonding with adhesive or mortar with tiles in the subfloor. This will lead to tile tenting, making the tiles appear uneven. Improper set tiles. Large or oversized tiles require a certain troweling technique to ensure that they achieve a strong bond with the adhesive. All tiles need a gentle whack with a wooden object when being installed to set them in the adhesive. Not using adhesive. The tiles which have been installed without adhesives may also cause buckling of tiles. No or incorrect movement joints. The tiles will buckle in the absence of joints between tiles. Poor quality bonding agent and tile adhesive. The bond may lose its grip and cause buckled tiles due to changes in environmental conditions. Similarly, poor adhesive, when exposed to direct sunlight too, causes tile buckling. Old tiles. Old tiles get brittle, losing flexibility. They are then unable to withstand changes due to temperature variation. Bent tiles. Sometimes, the manufactured tiles are already bent. So, if you are using such tiles, there are chances for tiles to pop up more often. We hope this video has answered all you why the tile buckling. Do let us know what you feel about this video in the comments section below.